This is the introduction and instructions for the beginner's course for Algilez. This YouTube presentation is taken from the Algilez Starter App, which is available on the Google Play Store and Apple Store. The Algilez Starter is free and contains this introduction and the first 4 lessons. The Algilez Beginner app is a paid app and contains the full course of 20 lessons, online quiz questions and final test. This is a short course for beginners in Algilez. The course covers listening, speaking, reading and writing and includes all of the main grammatical features of Algilez and a lot of useful vocabulary. There are 20 lessons, each taking about 1.5 hours, followed by a test. You will need to write some essays and descriptions as part of your lessons, so you'll need a notebook and a pen. There are online quiz questions after most pages requires registration. Answer using the same format as the question, lowercase separated by commas for lists or initial capital letter and full stop for sentences, etc. Your privacy and the advantages of registering with Algilez. You can cancel your registration at any time. No personal data apart from your email address are collected, and no data is shared with other companies. The Algilez privacy policy is at http://www.algilez.com/privacypolicy.html. You may be sent periodic emails about Algilez. Once registered, you will have access to the online quiz questions which help with learning and get you familiar with the Algilez keyboard. Make the most of the lessons and start accessing the quiz questions now. Here is some advice on learning. Don't just look at the slides and listen to the recordings. Learning requires action. Practice writing what you see on the slides and repeating out loud what you hear on the recordings. Algilez words will also be used again in later lessons, so get used to writing down the words and the English translation. Get yourself a notebook and use it to make an alphabetical list. Make a start now on Lesson 1. Lesson 1 contains greetings and introductions, asking questions, and the Algilez alphabet. Don't worry if some things such as numbers, tenses, etc. are not explained in the early lessons. Everything will be covered as you go through the course.